What's going on, everyone? It's Jay from the Wednesday Night Whiskey Committee here with another Tasting Tuesday video. This week we are featuring Knob Creek, or as we say here in Pennsylvania, Knob Crick. This is a Kentucky Straight Bourbon small batch, 100 proof. There's really no kind of age on the bottle, so I'm going to assume it's 3 years or less. That seems to be the most common outcome of an unmarked bottle. So, without any further ado, it's got like a real waxy kind of thing to it, which at first I thought was kind of cool, but it's just really messy. Wax. And let's wax. There we go. It has a cork, so that's a bonus. Smell a lot of vanilla in this. It actually reminds me a lot of the nose on it. Kind of reminds me a lot of the Bulleit that we have previewed before in a tasting video. Let's get it in here. Wow. Not what I was expecting. I thought it was going to be like real big burn. It's really not. As far as a Kentucky, in my opinion, as far as a Kentucky goes, this is probably one of the better ones that I've had. The nose is pretty pleasant. It's not real offensive. It's kind of sweet smelling. And the finish, okay, there it's starting. Real long, slow finish. Well, I don't mind that at all. Yeah. Very good. Actually, I like that better than the Bulleit, and I think even the Woodford Reserve that we've had so far. So that's it for this week, guys. If you feel like checking that out, please do so. I give it a solid recommendation. And check us out next week for another video.